Sir, I just want to have two clarification from Honorable Minister Saab regarding this bill. Sir, he had mentioned that it's a minority St. Mary's. So it is nowhere mentioned whether it is a minority university or a non-minority university. It is just mentioned as a private university. So I have a confusion, so that is why I just wanted to know whether it is a minority or a non-minority, sir, or it is just a private. If it is a minority university, I would like to know with what have you given the minority certificate? If it is a minority university, then what would be the interference of the government in the university? Are we going to have a selection committee, or the intake will have to have at least 75% of students belonging to the minority? These are all the questions, sir, because one institute cannot be declared as a minority. So in that bill, it is not mentioned whether it is a minority institute, because Honorable Minister Saab had started by saying that it is St. Mary's minority. So this is why I need a clarification whether it is a minority university or not. If it is, then there is separate regulations, sir, for a minority institute. And what would be the interference of the state government? What would be the members from the state government side? How many members would be from the Government of India side? And are they going to follow the UGC norms for it? Selection committee has to be there, and no one could be appointed. These are the regulations which needs to be taken if it's a minority university, sir.
Minister.
Speaker, sir. గౌరవ సభ్యులు హరీష్ రావు గారు మాట్లాడుతూ హరీష్ బాబు మాట్లాడుతూ he has expressed his concern with regard to growth of private institutions, private universities అనే ఒక కన్సర్న్ వ్యక్తం చేశారు. స్పీకర్ సార్, టు సర్టన్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్సో ఏ ఫ్యాక్ట్. ప్రైవేట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ పెరుగుతున్నాయి, కానీ ప్రభుత్వ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ అంతే ఉంటుంది.
సాంబశివరావు గారు ప్లీజ్. సాంబశివరావు